Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. Get ready for some serious comparisons, hilarious commentary, and of course, some epic jokes. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam boasts a triple-channel system, with a front camera, cabin inside camera, and rear camera capturing every angle of your car. It offers 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. That's like having your own personal movie studio in your car. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi is no slouch either. It rocks a stunning 2.5K resolution, giving you ultra-clear footage with 70% higher pixels than regular 1080p cameras. And with its front 160 degrees wide-angle lens, you won't miss a single detail. It's like having the eyes of a hawk on the road. Both cameras deliver top-notch video quality. But if you're a resolution junkie like me, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi takes the crown in this category. Picture this, you're driving late at night, and suddenly a UFO lands on the road in front of you. Okay, maybe not a UFO, but you get the idea. That's where night vision comes into play, my friends. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam features an f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring exceptional color precision and clarity even in the darkest of nights. Plus, it has 4 IR lights facing the cabin, perfect for those late-night Uber or Lyft drivers. No more blurry footage when your passengers are up to no good, but wait, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi isn't backing down. With its super night vision technology and f1.8 large aperture, it increases light intake by a whopping 30%. Say goodbye to those grainy, low-light videos. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. When it comes to night vision, both cameras shine bright. But if you want that extra boost in low-light conditions, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi wins this round. Now let's talk about those extra features that can make a dashcam stand out from the crowd. The Galphi 3-channel dashcam comes with an auto-save collision footage and loop recording feature. Thanks to its built-in gravity shock sensor, the camera automatically locks the footage when it detects a collision or bump. No more worrying about losing crucial evidence. And hey, it doesn't stop there. The Galphi also offers a parking monitor mode, perfect for capturing any collisions or thefts that happen while your car is parked. Plus, it has a hidden design that won't distract you while driving. It's like having a secret agent on your dashboard. On the flip side, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi also has some tricks up its sleeve. It comes with seamless loop recording, so you never have to worry about running out of storage space. And with its G sensor, it automatically locks the video when it detects sudden vibrations or shocks. Talk about being prepared for anything. Both cameras bring some serious firepower in the additional features department. But if you're looking for that undercover agent vibe and extra protection while parked, the Galphi 3-channel dashcam takes the cake. Based on online reviews, the Galphi 3-channel dashcam is praised for its triple-angle video coverage, clear night vision, and additional features like auto-save collision footage and parking monitor mode. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dashcam Wi-Fi is highly regarded for its ultra-clear video quality, enhanced night vision, and advanced features like seamless loop recording and G-sensor. And there you have it, folks. The Galphi 3-channel dashcam and the E-YEEGER dashcam Wi-Fi battled it out, and both put up a strong fight. Ultimately, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember, always do your research and compare products before making a purchase. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons and hilarious commentary. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and buy smart.